the 20,000. Now it's at 17, 19.7. 300 points move.
Well, if we go to the 4 hour, it looks like it respected this area here.
Right now, the only buy I would take is from that low, like yeah, the bottom 88, like where it popped off from Thursday of last week. Yep, like those bottom gray areas just marked. I'm gonna look for a rejection of that area.
At this point, it looks like we're just back in this range,
Yep. Yeah.
honestly. I can see it come all the way down, but I don't want to get in the middle.
Exactamente.
I don't know. Let's see if it can come back up here. This area was respected before. Hour closes in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, excuse me. Looks awfully bearish.
I could bounce off from here for a little bit, just retest. I want to see that retest from here.
The 88 from the swing high to the swing low looked like just tapped it. But that was a few hours ago.
Yeah, that was last night
Yeah.
or early in the morning.
We'll see what it's due right here. See if it's it holds this low support.
I got next zone being 19,300 on TradingView.
Yeah.
Well, I think tank time.
What's up?
So that thing freaking tanked.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So waiting to see if we catch the buys, but I'm just waiting to see if we close above the 88.6 again.
Above the Asian lows of yesterday.
Yeah.
You'll still take it even then.
If we start closing above the 88.6, I'm gonna definitely take a buy. Think I won't.
It won't. You think it won't close above?
No, I said you think I won't take that buy.
Oh no, I didn't say that. I took it, but I only put like one contract on it, like lost
Mm-hmm.
like $100, but
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to push back above if it does. If not, then we got that lower 88.6. So
caught the sell, 70 points in profit. Let's go. Or 700 points in profit. Well, the hour closes in 7 minutes. Looking awfully bearish here. If it closes bearish, I can see it push down to 19.3.
Yeah, I can see this closing below what is that right now? 700, and then keep going. It's like this little support that's building right now.
I could see it come back up for a retest before we continue pushing. Maybe even like a shallow retracement down to here. If we do close bearish, this area here.
so aggressive right now.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Yeah, this thing's gonna keep going,
Yeah.
keep going down. It's rejecting that's little support I just making, but
Well, on the 15.
I was on the lower time frame to see some rejection from that area, but it's keep rejecting. I was on the one. I did not enter. I did not enter. I did not enter. Just looking, see some rejection sign, but it did. Let's keep breaking below. Yeah, it's gonna start bleeding now. Yep. She is tanking.
Was there any kind of big news that was released or anything like that, boys? That I missed?
There's news today, I guess.
There was, but I don't think it was going to make anything move.
War in Gaza. Israel to start dropping bombs again. Yep, this thing is moving. That 1 hour looking vicious, vicious. About to eat up all that. Yep. Here she goes.
Wow.
Expected, expected, expected.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down to this zone in the next hour.
Yeah. One of the 4 hour candle is gonna look crazy. Oh my God. One 4 hour candle deleted the whole entire week last week.
One minute. Yeah, based off how strong we closed, I can see it come to this zone, either straight to it or off a pullback. The deeper pullback up here would give us a head and shoulders formation. Off of this left, head, right shoulder, and we can see we kind of made like a mini head and shoulders here. I honestly placed a very, very small position on it. They didn't enter, just how aggressive it came into the area. I'm assuming T and them, you were waiting for some rejection off of this zone, some candle confirmation.
Yeah, there was nothing, bro. It just freaking shot through.
Yeah, I didn't take that. Yep. This thing is blue, 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 blue. Yeah, I would advise taking any or trying to catch this long back up. Unless you're the quickest hand in the West, catch that 20, catch that 30, and then go. But yeah. Strong, strong bearish momentum.
No, exactly. Um, yeah, I would look for sells at this point.
Yeah, I was what I was looking at. Back at the 700 zone would be incredible.
Up here, off the right shoulder.
Yeah, but the way it's moving, it's not giving us. It's getting lower and lower by the minute.
Yeah.
It's not giving us any pullback at all. But we'll see. I hope we get some. Come on, man. Don't leave us. Tapping that bottom, see some bounce. See if he will make this through or staying right here.
Don't tell me we're just gonna stall now. All right. Yeah. Looks like we're bearish again. Looks like we came into this 4-hour zone.
Yeah.
We got a nice 1-hour bearish closure. So I would look for sells if we want to sell. I want to sell high. Either here or here. So let's see if we can get
740,
pull back.
750 around that area. Is that what you're seeing?
The deeper one, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I was thinking like 800 to
800. Yeah,
yeah. And right back after the previous level of support.
yeah. 800. Pretty much just looking for a pullback now. Any pullback.
Yeah, 15 all the way to the 1 hour, just close straight through. We got a 4-hour closure and 3 hours.
Please, dude, don't do this. Go back up. It doesn't want to go back up above the 700. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go.
You said it doesn't want to go back up to the 700?
Yeah, come on, let's go. Stay there. Stay above it.
Are you looking at traded prices?
Yeah, bro. I'm not looking at the NAS. I'm not trading on that. Trading on NQ, but All right, let's see how the 15 close. Can we close back up over there into that high? The last 15-minute high. Come on, stay above that 700. Yes. Keep it pushing. Don't flip. Don't flip just yet. Don't do that. Stay up there. No. Yeah, it's 15 look like it's about to flip. No. Talk too soon.
I just want to see it get into these zones to make a decision.
Yeah, I was waiting, bro. Hoping it stays above that 700 and keep pushing up a little bit.
I mean, even at TradeAway, it's at 19.5 right now.
Yeah?
I'm seeing 19. Wait, which one are you trading?
Oh. It's MNQ M5. Am I
Uh,
what were you on?
I think I'm looking at the MNQ H5.
Oh, H5. I'm on M5. It's a new one.
You said MNQ what?
M5. Mine was on M5. H5.
But yeah, the contracts roll. I think
It's rolled over, right? Today?
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was today, but it should send you an alert though if it does it.
Yeah, it rolled over automatically for me.
Wait, what happened?
Automatic.
What's your price at break, Bryce?
Um,
On your trader?
Here, I'll try to hold on. Let me look.
Oh,
Said, ooh, hold on 1 second. Let's see.
now it's 500 for me.
704, 19700, really?
Mine's at 19,700 too.
You're
Yeah.
on M5, right? Is it M5 or
Yeah.
H5?
Yeah, M5.
Okay, we on M5. O is the only one on H5.
Oh, it's different. I mean, the mine rolls, I have it where it rolls over automatically for me. So,
Yeah, mine does too.
so
Yeah.
that way I don't have to worry about it and stress about all the BS.
Dang, this thing doesn't want to stay above that 700, man.
I mean, we still have several hours in the 4 hour left. We'll have to see if that thing's gonna end up being engulfing or if it's going to throw a nice little wick, you know?
Exactly.
We still got some time to really see if this thing's actually going to go bearish for the day, if we're just getting an aggressive pullback early in the morning. It did that a couple times last week as well, too, if you guys remember. Had like 2 hours and 1 hour's closing with like pretty big engulfing candles, and then the 4 hour would push back up above.
Yeah, we can see it off this 4 hour here earlier
Yeah,
last week and then here.
yeah. Yeah, so it's like we've had that. This has happened several times this last week too. So I'm not fully sold that we're 100% bearish today yet. We'll just have to see.
If this candle flips and closes bullish, that would be
Crazy. It would be
that
hell.
would be sick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if it eats up that 1 hour that just happened at 9 o'clock, bro, for sure. Like what?
Quotes on H5 more accurate. And are you asking or are you saying?
No, I think he's saying you have to roll over your contracts in because they expire, I think, every like few months. So if you go to your settings, there should be like a button that you click and it just rolls them over automatically. It won't even let you take a trade. Like if you try to take a trade right now, I don't think it would let you.
On the H5, right?
Yeah, you have to be on the N5.
That's
Oh,
what I was thinking, bro.
I
I
traded.
was
I
I
took a
was
trade earlier on the H5.
I was taking
Oh
my
yeah, you
trade on
did.
the M5. I took a short, like a scalp short. It worked. I was like, what are you talking about?
That's weird.
Now I have to go all my setting again. Oh my god.
You can just automatically like there's a automatic rollover where it just does it.
Yeah. I have to do the color scheme again.
Reading it on TradingView, it says contract switch on Tuesday, March 18th from H to M as in
Oh,
Mary.
no. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think you can take any trade on the H anymore. That was like order rejected. Order rejected. Yeah. Yeah.
15-minute flip.
Yeah, bro. Doesn't want to
I
stay
really
above
want to see this thing pull
700.
back to 800. That first zone you have though.
One more time.
I said I want to see this thing pull back to 800. That's where your that first zone. Yeah, that one right there. At least just see where it does there, and then just shorting right here is just not doesn't seem
Looking at
safe.
the smallest time frames. I'm staying at the 700 zone. See if it's coming back to stay above 700. Because it seems like every time it taps that, it rejects it.
Dang, boys. It just kind of completely slowed down, huh?
Yeah. Last few 5 minutes have been closing right next to each other.
Yeah. I mean, there's kind of a good little level support right there, I guess.
We did take some positions last week on it,
Yeah.
but toward the bottom here. So I'm not trying to get in
Nah,
the middle.
I'm just, yeah, chilling, big chilling.
Yeah, she just broke down again. Gone like the wind. We get 700.
You just stop moving for like 20 minutes. Below the 1 hour tap to 88.6 zone. That's when it started reversing. Um, the real biggie smalls, are you referring to this swing here, to this swing up here? I'm assuming so.
Hey, getting some reaction from that bottom, bro.
Yeah, I saw that 88.6, but it's just that middle of the range kind of freaks me out a little bit, you know?
Same.
Oh, like right here?
Yeah, I just feel like it ain't worth it.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking the buy. I'm saying there's some reaction off this. Might
Hmm.
get
It's
short.
messy. All this is just messy.
Yeah, we want to see how this 15 close. I enter a small position, one lot, 705 on the short.
Good luck.
Yeah, SL is literally so tight, tighter than my shoes.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do anything until price is at one of these zones.
Just trying to take this thing down back to 50 area, 70 area.
I mean, like Bryce said, it could wake back up off the 4.
Yeah, this is just small size. $1, $2 zone.
So
Gotta
you,
see
you took
something.
it short?
Gotta see something, bro. I haven't done anything 2 days.
So you took
Boy,
it short.
this boy is itching to place a position.
I know, bro. No, I mean, I get it, it's bearish, but I feel like it's a little sketchy taking it short right here. It is bouncing off an 88, you know?
Keep rejecting that 700 zone.
Yeah, it definitely does. You ain't wrong. Get your bag, my guy.
Yes. I'm taking my $50. I'm taking it.
It's $50 a day.
Hey, hey, oh knows exactly what that means.
Yeah.
All he needs is 50. Give him 50, he'll end the stream right now.
I swear I would.
I swear to God. Okay.
Nah, I'm down 100 off that first 88.
Oh no. All right. All right. All right. Keep it going then. Up $20. Yes.
No, T, you're hilarious, brother.
Bro. Gotta create some excitement, you feel me? Been here for 2 days. Been here for 48 hours. Yeah, I'm posting this. Be not worth it.
Your hand shaking?
No, it's just not worth it.
You getting sweaty over there?
I don't see the point of trying to get like 20 points or 30 points. This thing is about to
At
exhaust
50.
already. If I would have taken this out, bro, I should have taken it earlier, way earlier.
With Mike, you should have taken it with that boy Mike.
Yeah, way earlier. Not now. Now it's just like the volume's gone.
I mean, I just wait for it to see if it comes back into these zones.
Yeah. Or yeah, I was thinking that. Just a better. I could put more lots in there. Add more.
Watch it play out now that since you closed.
I know.
Oh, there you
Hey
go.
man, my 50, bro. God dang it. My 50, man.
If y'all don't know, T's trying to process a withdrawal, so you need $50 a day for,
At least
I don't
50.
know,
Well,
8 days. Yeah, minimum $50 a day. I don't know. It's just not moving at this point.
Stuck.
one
I think we're gonna push a little higher off the zone.
oh, the 30 close kind of
Yeah, I
30
agree.
close
Yep.
bullish.
Yeah, 30 close bullish, 15.
Ooh, okay. Oh, okay, okay.
I don't know. I still just don't trust this 88.
No, I don't want to enter the buys. I want to.
Yeah, I agree.
This could be the pullback.
I wanna see them pull back. Mm. The 88. That 88. Beta 61 is 816. 816
Yeah,
is
yeah, this TP1's at the 800 mark.
bro. Who wants him to get in the buy? Well, the 88 is holding strong though. The 88 holds strong.
It's holding very strong for sure, but man,
Oh man.
when I'm like torn like this, I just usually stay out.
Yeah.
Just punch my laptop one time.
Yo, T. Breathe, bro. You, you'll get your $50 tomorrow.
He's geeking over here.
The rage. Give me the rage.
The way it's moving, how slow we're looking, we might have to just monitor this as the day goes on.
For sure. For sure. It did push right down to that 88.6 and just kind of start like slowing down.
Yeah. Well, after that 1 hour from 9 o'clock, I want to see this 1 hour close.
I know.
Bullish, yeah. If it didn't close bullish.
Just as a thought experiment, the 88.6 markups you guys post in Discord prior to the 9:30 open have a 73% success for initial trend toward the 88. It doesn't always hit the 88.
Yesterday it hit the 78 or something when it was coming down, and it exploded. So 88 usually, yeah, it's usually is the best one because you can put a lot of your risk down there, decrease your risk, decrease your stop loss, all of that. But 78 and 71 also, valid. These are all just like price retracement. Anything like above 50 is good, right? Like
Just
price.
meant in scalps. What Bryce is trying to say is he's scared.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Good.
I'm just waiting, being safe, maybe a little scared. Maybe you're not wrong. We push back down that 88 and reject again. I'll probably put in a small little lot or small contract, like couple minis or something.
Off this 88 from this sub level.
Yeah, we're right kind of in the middle of the range, but I mean
Yeah.
it's pretty got a good rejection off of it so far, so it's probably missed if it is gonna pop back up, but I'd rather just play it safe, man. I'm okay with not taking a trade for a couple days. Don't bother me.
Yes.
Yeah, I might be on that same boat, Bryce.
50.
It's all good.
Hey, bro, this man whispered in the. Oh my
I'd
God.
rather take high quality setups
For sure.
than than to get in the trade just to get my $50, see, just to get that withdrawal.
The real Biggie Smalls said that I feel like you guys don't trade exactly like Roy, who'd been all in that. Yeah, bro, everyone trades a little differently, You gotta know yourself. Everyone has a different personality. You gotta kind of like learn how you trade best, I feel like.
No, unfortunately, we're not as good as Roy.
Yeah, this 88 was a good place if you just buy 88. You'd be up 80 points.
I still probably wouldn't have taken that, I'm gonna be honest.
No, it's just
But
there's no confirmation till above it.
yeah, it was just aggressive movement down there.
I mean, in the 5 minute there was some so you can see it kind of slow down, but in the higher time,
Yeah. And all the small time it's just consolidating. And that price pushing up.
At that point, I feel like you're just making your own 88.
for real.
Well, I flipped it from the Asia low of when is March 14th? What is that? Is that Thursday
I think
or Friday night? Yeah, that was like Thursday night before Friday. The Asia low of that, I flipped it from there to the high of what we just had, just before we dropped. That 88's holding. That's what I think. That's what Bryce is seeing, right?
Yeah, the
Just in the middle of the range. Yeah.
It's
Thursday.
just, yeah, middle range, yeah. It's like I said, there's a good little area of support though as well too, if you kind of look back.
Yeah.
Left.
Aggressive sells like this, yeah, it would find a spot like 88 to slow down, bouncing off.
Like the zone would be better down here though. From last week, this was
Yeah.
the
Yeah, that's the 100 zone, right? Oh yeah, I flipped it from right there. Yep, right there. From that body to the high. Oh man. Maybe we get into the buy? Okay, I don't know. Maybe. See how this 1 hour close.
Also, just a reminder, you guys, we have a free webinar tomorrow. Feel free to join if you guys are available. We'll be 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Eastern time. Mike said 95 points, 950 points, still holding the sell. Well done. Way to stick to your bias. I want to see price come into this zone and see how we react. I probably won't look to take any buys until we come back to this 88 down here. If you did take it off this 88 here, maybe look to take profit at that zone.
Yeah. Yeah, that first zone.
Which is a little bit below the 61.
We checked that high again. That 15 high. 15 high.
Yeah, the 15-minute wicks are still pretty fat to the upside.
That 15 high. About to close in a minute. Ooh, 15 about to close in a minute.
But this 15-minute close like this is so up. What?
Yeah, this thing's about to bleed. This thing's about to bleed some more. Man. Ew.
What is this?
Ugly. Ugly. Oblique.
Let's tap that 8-8 one more time.
Almost did.
Has this been the slowest day we've had so far?
I don't know. I mean, no, it moved really aggressively, just not the way we
Yeah.
wanted.
It's not tapping horizontal and stuff.
Yeah, it's just like it just dropped and then there's no volume anymore.
It's risky self. It's risky self. But yeah.
Everything is still red across the board. Besides Apple.
And what I learned from NASDAQ is that on the daily, if it makes just makes a low in New York, that low is usually gonna get break into a new lower low. Like New York's low is not the like the one to trust because it could keep going down in the session.
Yeah, usually like the Asia, London, those.
Yeah, those held more than
Those hold. Yeah.
New York. If the daily start making newer lows, yeah, it's like I'm hesitant in getting buys.
Would it come up to like 7:30? Yeah.
Yeah, it came back to 735, right at that 15 high.
Yeah. It's like a little box just right.
Yeah, that was right after the drop closed and the first 15 minutes of the 9:45 came up to make that wick. And then it stays down here till now.
You're looking for buys at the 8-8, it's right at it again.
Yeah, it just happened.
Yeah, it tapped a little bit. I put just a small little position in with a pretty tight stop loss, so we'll see.
Yeah. Yeah, if it's playing in this little box,
Yeah.
it's a good entry.
We got 10 minutes until the 1 hour closure. Could be a good sign if it closes indecisive, Bryce.
Yeah, agreed. I had a tight stop on this bad boy though.
Did order filled. Order filled.
Yo, that's not real.
Is Paulie on here?
Yeah,
Yo,
there he is.
What's up, Paulie?
what's up, boys?
How are we this morning?
Another day, beautiful day.
Are you in Miami?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Thought you're like still traveling, bro.
Bruh,
Every time you post a picture, it's definitely it's somewhere else.
bro, I need to take a break, man. Last 4 weeks have been crazy.
Yeah, that.
I like traveled 4 different places in 4 weeks, and then I got sick, and then I
Mm.
recovered, and yeah, now I'm back. So I'm just trying to reset everything.
My guy. Glad to hear you're feeling better.
Appreciate you, man. Yeah, something going around. Everybody getting sick.
Mexican sickness, dude.
I didn't drink no Mexican water out there though.
Look like she's holding at 88.
Who's in right now?
Not me.
I'm in the small.
Bryce, yeah, Bryce is the
The 88.
You know, might as well.
it's looking good.
It looks good on the 15.
Yeah, if you have the 15, that wick is looking nice.
Still got like 9 minutes, so a lot can happen.
I don't know. I always like having at least like a 1 hour closure in our favor. You know what I mean?
We got
think it-
oh yeah, it's almost 11.
it's just like the last hour is so damn aggressive. If it's like close with a wick or something and not this aggressive push down, then I would have been looking for like entry for buy right here, like at these 88. But it's just closing so aggressive. Like you just have to wait for the 1 hour to confirm. I get it if you're scalping and you're making your 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 points. And yeah, there's a bounce. Like I hope this 1 hour just stay bullish. Like bullish doji or something. Yes. Yes. Close like this. Please.
After that drop, it's been 56 minutes yet, and we've just been chilling right around here.
Watching this thing bounce up and down.
We just stay up here bullish, man.
Yeah, 3 minutes left.
Gold is at all-time high. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, she is. Yeah, it is.
All-time high. 3,000 announced.
Gotta stop personifying these pairs.
It was a good thing that I bought my chain and my bracelet all in gold. My mom was like, "You want to put some diamonds on it?" I was like, "Nope."
That ain't real gold, T.
It's 18K better with my
You said what's your what?
initial.
SS.
Oh nah.
Yo.
Yo, why
Hey,
did I think
hey,
about that?
yo.
Yo, why did I think about that?
Hey, yo. No, bro. Please stay up, man. Bryce, say something to this. Talk something.
I'm out of this one, bro. I don't know. We'll see
Oh,
what
you out already?
Oh no, I'm not out. I'm not out. No, it hasn't hit my SL yet. But I mean, I can't help it at this point.
Tell her to play nice.
The 3 minute looks good.
Like, stop. Stop.
So that
It's
30
still
seconds.
playing above the 8-8.
It is. It's above the 8. I have no reason to get out yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta stay up here, bro. 1 minute. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this to us.
What this is about to close as a doji. Bullish doji.
Please.
Might get a bigger push at the end.
Please. Please. I was bullish. Bullish.
All right, Roman. Hope you have a blessed rest of your day, man. Thank you for joining us today. We'll try and keep you updated with markups in the chat if depending on what happens. All right. Moment of
Four,
truth.
3, 2, 1. Yes, Doji. Doji, Doji, Doji.
Bada bing. Bada boom.
She's still close below that 700 zone. What I was like, keep looking at.
Like we just chilled within this area here throughout
That
that.
700 zone is strong, bro. For some reason, it's just not trying to break close above that. Yeah, que disco di a dump, 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 dump.
I honestly could see it come down to here. I think this would be a better position.
agree 100% on me for sure.
Yeah.
It's about to hit my BE on this bad boy. Yeah, just smacked it. So that's it for me, fellas. Hit my BE, I'm out.
Risk management. Well done, sir.
We'll see it. Yeah, I was just waiting for that 1 hour to close bullish and then close above that 700 zone. But she did not, and she started dropping now. So
that's why you set things at BE or have your stop loss.
Damn, T, you should have held that sell, bro. You would have made
bro,
dollars.
that 700 and zone is strong. Should have held.
That's not a quick gold long. I'm done for the day. Oh man. Nah, T, I'm just messing with you, bro.
Nah, yeah,
It's okay.
So it's so low now. But I'm still looking at that 700 zone. Later, if there's a bounce back up to there, I'm gonna take a short right back down. Unless we start breaking and closing above the 700 zone, I don't see any upping movement.
Are you trying to say, is it because of the volume on the 5 minute time frame, or it's because of the volume? Are you asking a question, or are you making a statement? Not really sure.
All right, I guess into new territory now. It's for the lows. So what are we looking at? Still looking for shorts. Now that it broke the recent low, just looking for, I guess, close below that break and then retest that area and see what's gonna do. Breaks and retests.
And those cells from the resistance were the move today.
From back up here.
Yeah.
Bro, I was looking at the same one at the level. What level is this?
Yeah, like 19,750.
19,9. Well, 19,920. Like initially when it started breaking at 8, and then 9:30, 9:15. Once it broke that Asia low, I was like, okay, whoa. She stayed below, and I was like, okay.
Yeah, that retest off the Asia low down would have been a good entry too.
I was just waiting for the price to stay below that, and it did. Yeah. My bias today was sell from the get-go.
Yeah, I was looking at sales since yesterday because it was playing in that range, uh, like that 1 hour to 4 hour range right there, and then yeah, just missed it this morning, man.
It's all good. It's all good. Now we're back in this range for the lows.
There wasn't like a clear confirmation either. It was kind of just like a feel. Yeah, it was more of like an intuition kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because that's the weekly resistance too, like support resistance level. So
Yeah.
once it tapped that and then came down like
No, I feel
through
you.
Asia last night.
It was quick, and
Low key like a head and shoulders too.
that 9:30 drop, there's just
Yeah.
no stopping that. that was just gone.
Oh, this thing, bro. I just got back. This thing broke out the range. Going down.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
now it's down there.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys at the bottom now, honestly. I think it's
Yeah,
gonna keep
honestly,
pushing
that's it.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing now is buy at the very tip top of the
For
bottom.
low.
You said by the tip top.
Exactly.
You buy high.
I mean, it broke this 5-minute zone here. So let's see if you guys want to take that sell. If you guys are looking for sells.
Yeah. Just wait for that to retest and get in. Hold on tight.
Damn.
He said get in and throw your phone away.
Yeah, throw it. Throw it away. You don't want to see that drawdown. That drawdown is gonna cause some psycho active in your brain.
Um,
Like
yeah,
19,500 area. That's where I have my 8.8 on the higher time frame.
500.
19.5, yeah, like 19,480 to be exact.
excuse me. I'm honestly
That bounce.
set an alert above the 88.
Yeah, I like to see that bounce. Anything. I deal it.
But if it does come down to the zone, if we look left, this is the fourth tap. So I don't want
Yeah, it's the
to. If this
fourth
thing
tap.
breaks through this zone, this thing is about to melt.
Blah blah. Yeah.
Not the zone we're at right now, but the bottom zone.
Yeah, the weekly zone.
That's the weekly low. Because that's where we consolidated all last week.
Yeah, that's when I sent you all that entry, and now I want to take it with me.
That entry, yeah. Oh yeah.
At like 4, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, it'd be sneaky sometimes. It'd be like the very end of the day, it just pops.
Like 4 p.m.
All right. Looks like we're approaching that 5-minute area of previous support. A statement, but we still dropping. US 30 is dropping nicely. Yeah, I'm liking the shifts and the pullbacks we're getting on it. Like example, this one. We get the same thing.
Yeah, that's moving a little cleaner than NAS today.
I don't know. She looks like she's making a inverted head and shoulders though. Off the 4-hour.
Yeah. Hmm.
Let's see if we make a higher low. Just because we made a few higher lows here. But no, the lower time frame did look clean. Or cleaner. Nineteen 457. 457. What are you on the lower time frame? 19457. I think we have around the same zone. I had it starting down here. Around 19455. I want to see it sell down for that buy. All right, we're at this area of previous support. Now testing as resistance. 1 minute left until the closure.
Hmm.
15 minute looks like we're just wicking though, back above
Yeah.
that 88. Let's see if we can wick. Yeah, 30 minute looks like we're wicking too. Five-minute does look a bit strong coming back into the zone. Yeah, that was a pretty strong closure on the 5-minute and the 15. No, Bryce, I think it looks better now than when you took it.
Agreed.
Based on that
Agreed.
projection.
Yeah, agreed. Starts closing above it like on 30s and stuff like that. It's a really good sign.
This man.
Yeah, I'm staying away for the day, I think, boys. Just letting it do its thing.
Yeah,
Reset.
same.
But I do agree. I like that little deeper like liquidity grab it kind of did there and push down and then push back above. That's nice, but it's just so aggressive.
Oh, I know you licking your lips. Because we're getting respected.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bro, it's just-
that 50.
Ay, ay, ay.
Or fail. Huh? Or fail. Uh-oh.
Like the 5 minute wants to hold above.
30 look like it's about to flip.
Yeah. I'm liking the rejection we're getting, I'm gonna be honest. But gotta wait to see how it closes. Oh. Man, Roy sent me markups, bro. Like, bro, hop on the stream.
Yeah, I know.
This man.
All right, boys. I think I'm about to head off. About to hit the gym before work later.
Yeah, I feel that, bro.
Yeah, sorry, yes, sir.
Yeah. What time is it? I'll stay on 9 more minutes, see how this 30-minute closes. But I have an alert set at the 88 down there, so I'm just gonna monitor for that.
All right, fellas, y'all take it easy. Have a good rest of your day. Stay active, stay dangerous.
All right, fam. Appreciate you hopping on, bro. Have a blessed rest of your day. Kill your workout.
Dude, appreciate you.
Um, I might have to hop off, unfortunately. But let's see how it closes in the next 6 minutes. All right, personally, I wanted to see price come down here to get that 88 entry. So, again, we'll follow with any markups. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you again for taking the time to join us today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.